Yo, 1, 2. Hello to everyone tuning in. Another super brief one. Yeah, this is Quanto Radio, and I'm Muntu Vilagazi. Recording this, or coming through with this, direct on Yeovil, Johannesburg. It's super hot. And don't forget to drink water, and remember that you cannot substitute water for beer. With beer, drink lots of water, avoid the sun, and listen to a lot of music. And if you do not have music, we share music on this platform, and do tune in and enjoy. My name is Muntu Vilagazi. This is Quanto Radio. Big up to yourself and enjoy the selection. Sure.
It's Toto malu, we malu. Usenda nefume lombe. We toto, we Toto malu, we toto. Usewa tenjine lombe. We mfasomya. Toto malu, usenda nefume lombe. No mungaseko. Elinye kago mama futhi. Nibi wale zanti leko. Wawe zanti leko. Elinye kago mama futhi. Ekago mama. Nibi wale zanti leko. We madu. We toto. Elinye kago mama. We madu. Nibi wale zanti leko. Umfasomnyama siyamkhulu. Elinye kago mama. No mengaseko. Nibi wale zanti leko. Yeah, mfasomnyama.
Mazinga qhamuka lapha singasenze njalo singalala phansi sivulele kuzi izintombi washa mazinga qhamuka lapha singasenze njalo singalala phansi sivulele kuzi izintombi Kabi, yeah, mi bafana le ntombi ngisiqokele yona. Kabi, yeah, mi bafana le ntombi ngisiqokele yona. Uzasabe talisile kabuma.
Sweet lami lomkhuhla.
Mama wamusekulile.
My phone goes on vivo.
Uzasabe talisile kabuma.
Sweet lami lomkhuhla.
Mama wamusekulile.
My phone goes on vivo.
Uzasabe talisile kabuma.
Emalami labo.
Mama wamusekulile.
Hey Shema, oh yeah Shema Joe.
Ungadalele sesikona emzini kababa.
Ungadalele mama.
Ungadalele sesikona emzini kababa.
Sengifuna ukuhlala mina.
Ungadalele sesikona emzini kababa. Uzasabe talisile kabuma.
Uwe washiyela umzali wangu wena.
Mama wamusekulile.
Ufuna umakoti ma.
Uzasabe talisile kabuma.
Yopegela umama wami.
Mama wamusekulile.
Akasakwazi ukuba.
Uzasabe talisile kabuma.
Emalami labo.
Mama wamusekulile.
This is Kwantu Radio, and my name is Muntu, and coming live from Yeoville. Enjoy. It's Tapatula next.
Hello, baby.
mela diphuka dinkuka dinkisa mankaleng-kaleng matlhaleng ko go buiwang ka puo poko le maeleteng setswana sa teng se le boteng bometla-taola banna teng magageng a go madipela ko re batang sa mokotla sa mpa re mpampetsa re tlhaba re bua re besa seno se re se bitsa re re boitumelo maropeng go tlhokega poelo re bue ka tsa botshelo jwa seeng le botshelo ba motho gapele a re boele semele ke ka moo tshitshilwane e sule le lwala
bathi baba bayakhala abathwane amavenu nochanga bathi kuyabanda imizuzu neminyaka idlulile kusemnyama kwabanzunda abantu abanobuntu bona balomhlaba kuyasala kuyancwatye eParlamente kuyabaswisibeleko namasene nengqondo nazona zabantu kuyaxoka kuyaprofeta kuyathakatha kuyathwasa kulamalanga amathamsanqa aphumelela njengamashwa phula ndithi phula ndithi phula ewe phula ndithi phula ey phula ndithi phula bye. Sisukutwa kunencindi yenyama yangaphansi umkanikazi waseBritani banikuthabe rhatyi nasikhuphe emakhaya nasifake lokutshini nagqiba nasinike ibhatyi olethe yegel ithama yeboy abazali benzwilayi esibalamente sibopha ngathi stop uthina njengebhatyi varsity cup isibana sikuphelelwa ngwena kebhatyi bacime MK bacime apla and then basenze gesta kwadutyulohane kacuma o66 bagcona ukuqhetseba phula ndithi phula ndithi phula ewe phula ndithi phula ey phula ndithi phula bye. Ubomi bethu mnotho wethu bona buhlala butswetya babhikila banenge besigcwele igazi baya yethu intsokolo yethu yona ihlala ihlakwa masihlangane sibambane simanyane side sibe banye sazane sondela thina mbombozone sincizane sikhuselane sabelane mathuba ifekane nemfetsane malwele oluzothe phula ndithi phula ndithi phula ewe phula ndithi phula ey phula ndithi phula bye.
bayivumile ivunywa abamhlophe nabamnyama yavunywa abaphasi nabaphezulu yavunywa abajewusayo ngisho bona abadla bejewusa untanyana udlothovu kabheke kwesame kufana nemsebelanga udlothovu dlala abantu bakubakulingene udlothovu njengebhubesi umlokothwa siye ilokotheke mgwagwe ezulu eliphezulu Pondo zamile ngeni bazamile enkomeni bekhungela amagudu okubhemela uba wawuyinkonto ngoba inkonto bayivumile ivunywa abamhlophe nabamnyama yavunywa abaphasi nabaphezulu yavunywa abajewusayo ngisho bona abadla bejewusa untanyana udlothovu kabheke kwesame kufana nemsebelanga udlothovu dlala abantu bakubakulingene udlothovu njengebhubesi umlokothwa siye ilokotheke usinakana sencwadi ezibhalwe ngubani manje siqonde kweliphesheya ngikhumba igudluwa sibona amagumgedlela kuba kudala sagcina ukubona amagumgedlela usifuba singumbu sigulununu hlazana sabhoboza ozivakala indaba engizwe kusesemncane azikakhula ngayibona amehlo jabuluyise mama vesha kwelwandle bona bothola komsele khipha amanye amathole ake lalele lo muntu omemezayo sengathi uyakhala uyalila uthi kodle khwapeni kozolu maphika abanzi kandaba ngoba ugodla ufesanezala kumapithe wakhodla umhangezala utokotoko wakhodla ujozezala kumapithe unkosi eyinsizwa umphikela amadoda kwazulu aphuca iconca zayibe ngasemseleni mlomo suku umkhulume ngoba imlomo ngabambili yevunana uvunana kwami nobayibhebhu usukana kuzimbili enye ngasevukweni enye ngawongena etsheni izulu edume emvongo sekalakuthaba lanjathe ingane yamfana nenkani lalela semkhuse gijimana zo zonke izindlela niyobukela abazidlazala bonke nini nithi bangasaphuza amazomkhuse ngoba udina uzulu sekwenza lokhulu sekwazi impi yakhe manje kodwa dhabu usimiso wahlasela ngempi ngenje kodwa dhabu eyesile wahlasela umkhonto ngobe ngasemkhontweni wahlasela amahashi ngobe ngasemashini inkunzi yakithi yasemkhontweni sabelo uyabizwa kumenyezwa ongadina ukumenyezwa inganasekushumayela sebediniwe inganasematheni sebediniwe ngoba usadle nkomo omntakandaba kuthiwa ziyekele zokomeza kwenu lezakokasigqayi ubusadle nkomo omntakandaba kuthiwa ziyekele zokomeza kwenu ezawadabeka engabiyofuthi inkomo ezinjani njengandaba umahlobo ohlathi lojengohlanya inkunzi embathi indaba unophakanako engaphumi nakwandlulu themani phumanaphuma namakhanda amadoda unonqingisile umlilo futhi abantu wendaba ezimbili isigwaqono langazi unongqayiza beyithibela ngoba ithitshelwa ngubani bathi ngabamhlophe abelungu umgwadlazikazi ziyethukushona nasenkonjeni unhlavu zamdela kwacesa zashaya amagatsha emithi ingonyedlela ekhunjini lomfula ngoba ngaphesheya encane imsebelanga uphodo lwendodaba lencane ungena emzini yamankengane umgebulo omaguma kuyosala impahla yiza bawusala beyijabula inqunqu begoqa amaphiko omvuzo sekalabuthaba ukhosi lwajabula eqala phindelela kamandlakazi umfuyo inkomo eyifanayo ngithi unqaba bhuqu intuthu umama ngosuthu umama ngwenziwa zowathulayo umama ngasula uyazila uqotha imbodo nesisekelo pheza wona ndlovu pheza ngasithi ngoba usukwenzile okukhulu inganisudla nabakwenu umgojana ehleze ngaba nekhetha umkhulane sendunkulu wamuhla amakhubula doso bakhulumana somaphunga isihlahla somphamba nyathi ngoba sibamba amadoda akwasekane ngithi unophumza abantu amaphika isihlahla somuthi ngithi
of mothers crying for their young swallowed up by the sea. This poem shall say nothing new. This poem shall speak of time unlimited, time undefined. This poem shall call names like Lumumba, Kenyatta, Nkrumah, Hannibal, Akhenaton, Malcolm, Garvey, Haile Selassie. This poem is vexed about apartheid, racism, fascism, the Ku Klux Klan, riots in Brixton, Atlanta, Jim Jones. This poem is revolting against first world, second world, third world, division, man-made decision. This poem is like all the rest. This poem will not be amongst great literary works, will not be recited by poetry enthusiasts. It will not be quoted by politicians or men of religions. This poem is knives, bombs, guns, blood, fire, blazing for freedom. Yes, this poem is a drum. Ashanti, Ma, Igbo, Yoruba, Nyabingi warriors, Yohuro, Namibia, Yohuro Soweto, Yohuro Africa. This poem will not change things. This poem needs to be changed. This poem is a rebirth of a people, a rising, awakening, understanding. This poem speaks, is speaking, have spoken. This poem shall continue even when poets have stopped writing. This poem shall survive you, me. It shall linger in history, in your mind, in time, forever. This poem is time, only time will tell.
Everything I like is nice. That's why I try to have it right.
and to give you bits of color and a kiss of life. And I know that this is a promise for life. Doubt your noise, laughter and dancing. The party's out and the hounds are howling. Oh, food and friends. Oh, that's the way it should be, and that's the way we should live. Masame kaliwami, ya uya henumo, gamulo. Masame kaliwami, ya uya never once did
Indezi. Ngapha wayakuloya. Ngawari sana zobagreen. Ungaphela umoya sana noma bakubamba ngenhliziyo sebunzimeni uyahuzuka ngenxa yesimo ngithi ungaphela umoya sana. If you the type that's hard to find, redefine, sebakuringa blind, you shouldn't mind. Ungaphela umoya sana shayela phansi keep resist, watch your wrist, better yet you better pump up your fist. Ungaphela umoya sana, ungaphela umoya sana, ungaphela umoya sana, ungaphela umoya sana. Nami ngikhulele lokushini ngifika ghost bali boxing ayebukhosini maqhosha fade cut the flossing olasu uzohlangana namahlanya phuma estoksini abothatha zonke nalezi sifaka ipilisi esoksini ugcwele ngabo sobhuza sibali nabo popzini sigoqa njenge-envelope ehrod maseposini siphile exotsini sifike espotini sikhiphe i-14 sibula wogoloko kuze sisiphi ipoisini mawuza ngama-ada sikuvula isiphongo ngenobgiri sikhiphe ekopsiri kushitayera shunqu iskontini celebration yamarhuzu sibali bawapopini ulovu nqobini ukuphapha nezitha sekuholini hayi ngoba begula sibali bebathi ubolini idlozi libonile manje sesikhipha zonke ekhondini nami bebangithatha njengephanka mara ngitopini nami bebathi ngibarephela mangabheka ungaphela umoya sana noma bakubamba ngenhliziyo sebunzimeni uyahuzuka ngenxa yesimo ngithi ungaphela umoya sana. If you the type that's hard to find, redefine, sebakuringa blind, you shouldn't mind. Ungaphela umoya sana shayela phansi keep resist, watch your wrist, better yet you better pump up your fist. Ungaphela umoya sana, ungaphela umoya sana, ungaphela umoya sana, ungaphela umoya sana. Enhlek indaba abaningi bangithathela phansi ngathi umhlabathi zama ukuhlanganisa bangenandaba nomphakathi sashaya ikarati ngoba sesikhathela bathakathi basivalela ngaphandle kanti esha sikhiphi ngaphakathi sovumelana nami manje saying I'm incredible sokushayiswa ngomoya samba ke-car that's convertible usinakisa ngami abakwaziyo bazokubura show lokhu busy ukubhaya isikele emsami noma sidura so like coke my style's dope from line to line but everybody calling you tight with me that's fine I can't even finish a verse without a punchline enhlek fuck backstab mina ngizokugwaza 99 okay ngisukeleni senza ifilimu ke basibukeleni ningibuyisele emuva njengekari sitaka emnyukelweni izinto zomhlaba zibiza incwaba saba they'll always try to pull you down njengeskipper siveza ungaphela umoya sana noma bakubamba ngenhliziyo sebunzimeni uyahuzuka ngenxa yesimo ngithi ungaphela umoya sana. If you the type that's hard to find, redefine, sebakuringa blind, you shouldn't mind. Ungaphela umoya sana shayela phansi keep resist, watch your wrist, better yet you better pump up your fist. Ungaphela umoya sana, ungaphela umoya sana, ungaphela umoya sana, ungaphela umoya sana. Sure, see this is it, Dwana. You can make it, just try to do your best. She's nyama and forsake it. Try to push the rest to sham, cut along your bomb as if you never knew your rest. Ugutuban utoli record deal, loga busho next, spanless. Mozengo glad utoli blanket, expand yes. But I gotta fill up my pockets. It's time, yes, for you to pull strings on this puppet, cut the dumbness. But before show the story in your mouth, ungaphela umoya sana. Noma bakubamba ngenhliziyo sebunzimeni uyahuzuka ngenxa yesimo ngithi ungaphela umoya sana. If you the type that's hard to find, redefine, sebakuringa blind, you shouldn't mind. Ungaphela umoya sana shayela phansi keep resist, watch your wrist, better yet you better pump up your fist. Ungaphela umoya sana, ungaphela umoya sana, ungaphela umoya sana, ungaphela umoya sana. And this one is specially dedicated to you out there suffering. Fede next girl noma uplomile la ekhoneni usiphushela ama-orange ubhayisa iphepha huzuka sibali one day ngizoba grand yazi zonke lezi zinto ziyajima. Fede next is your boy Pro, you know, letting you know that asisonke showcase once again it's Pia Bro,
yeah,
beat maker IDB what.
Yeah, it's Muntu Vilakazi on Kwantu Radio. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed. Or yeah, you're about to like start it all over and check it out again. Yeah, it's very important. I played that. I think it's quite important that I played the last track that I played, which is Pro Kid Ungaphela umoya sana. You know, I mean, like it's been a hectic year. It kept on taking and taking and taking, you know. I mean, like from the first week of the year, we lost national poet Hositsile. right through to the end, you know, November, WHP, and December, his ex-wife, you know, and it kept on being a taxing year emotionally and mentally for many of us. And we, as we wrap this year, we hope that the powers that be are kind on us and we do not count any more loss of life. And next year becomes kinder than what we've had. My name is Muntu Vilagazi and this is Kwantu Radio. Hope that you enjoyed. Keep it safe on the roads. It's cooler now, it's raining. And we know some of you got your driver's licenses in winter. You know, it was dry and now it's suddenly raining. So keep it safe, keep safe following distances. Don't drink and drive. Do not drink and drive. Not because of Abukhata, but because it's the right thing to do and it keeps everyone safe. You know, keep all of us safe. Anyway, peace. Have a beautiful evening. See you in a bit. Yo.